Good morning. So, just had some appointments again today. Yeah, it's all right. I have not looked at the chart, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. See how everything played out for the paper trading account, and then we'll see what the day brings. I'm hungry. So here we go, SPX 500. Let's take a look at that, see what it's doing. Let me set this chart up. All right. Well, looks like it's turning around. Opening up this morning, and it's like, nah, I am gonna go south. And so we came more than halfway to our take profit area, and it's like, no, I'm gonna turn around. So we'll see how that goes. Once again, not too concerned. It is what it is. Moving on to DE30. Oh, that closed out. So by 9 o'clock in a half an hour or so, I'll be taking another trade on this one. Let's go ahead and shore that up a little bit, just so it's not taking up the entire screen. And then, I don't know, it looks like I'll be taking maybe a sell. Maybe a sell, yeah. By the time 9 o'clock rolls around. JP225 is also doing the same thing SPX 500 is doing. It is selling off, came really close to the take profit. 1 to 1.3. The other one was 1.1, almost like a 1 to 1, and it made it more than halfway. This one at a 1 to 1 would have actually been done with, but I don't know. Sometimes I just throw this tool on there and I just let it go. So no rhyme or reason there. We can go back and interrogate the data later on. We can look back after all these trades and go, would a 1 to 1 have worked out majority of the time, or would it have not even mattered, so to speak? You know, what would have been the ideal profit target? 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5, 1 to 1.3. You know, like you don't know until you get into the market. You place a bunch of trades and you just track the data, and you see based upon the data what actions you should start taking. So, you know, I have a feeling that 1 to over 1.5 would probably work out best, just because what I've seen. But I can't go at that because I'm still biased. I might have just seen all the ones that have worked out to be well above 1 to 1.5, and I'm forgetting, you know, I might remember 3 that have worked out. That's what's creating my bias right now, but I forgot the other 9 that didn't. It's like, that's not a winning strategy. Did I do my math right? So I mean, yeah, that's still not a winning strategy. So, you know, you just got to be careful about what you feel until you've done it enough that you can validate your actual emotions, your gut instincts, your instincts, actually, your intuition. So I'm not going to make any bias change now. Gold. Come on, gold. Go ahead and just tick on through. So gold looks like it might go ahead and get up there. Silver is still going to do the same thing. Silver made it pretty close. Silver made it pretty close before turning around, and now we're just doing what we do, and we'll see. I mean, it still looks like it's in this uptrend here from the left around this number 6, August 6th, continuing up. It looks like we're channeling. So I mean, we could be bouncing at this resistance area around basically where the entry was. Bounce resistance, turn support. So, and it might shoot up from here. And with that, and you know, like with that being said, if you're going for something more, looking at the chart like this and go, you know what, it's rejecting off of here, and if it starts moving back into profit, there's a high likelihood it's going to make a higher high, which would allow you to extend your take profit. So like right now, I'm barely above the original high, or the high that it just created. But if it's going to make a higher high, you know, you could probably channel up. You see where the TV is up there in TV, it's TradingView. The TradingView emblem is. If you look up there, like, that's a high you could probably target. You know, a little bit before then. You don't want to get too crazy. But that's a high you could probably target. Who knows? We'll see. Whoa, geez Louise. All right. West Texas oil dumped on me like a rain shower. Oh, good gracious. Look at that. So, looks like I'll be taking a sell on that one. No question about that. Do you know how crazy it would have to be for this to turn around and actually closed bullish? That would have to be one crazy move, but whatever. Natural gas, still just going, well, sideways is what I said yesterday. Still going sideways, still making higher highs and higher lows. The only way for that to actually stick right now is it would need to turn around about right now. Because if not, then it's roughly, you might look at it and go, okay, it's created an equal low, which is less likely. Once you create an equal low, it's less likely to continue up higher. Would be like a time for possible consolidation or reversal, but you're less likely to go higher, and that's what I'm asking of it. I'm asking natural gas to go higher than its previous 1, 2, 3 attempts that it's tried. So it is. We'll just see how it goes, but that's where we're at right now, and I'm going to stop. All right, I got 2 minutes before it turns 9 o'clock, and I'm going to be on the road driving. So we're going to go ahead and see about setting these trades up now. So let's see where this one's at. That one's already going, so can't touch that one. GE, Euro, that one made it. Okay, so we're looking for a sell on this one. So I'm going to set that up, get out the drawing tool here, short position. Mosquitoes are trying to eat me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, it's a mosquito infested place. Good gracious, I'm fighting myself for my life. Alright, so I'm going to set that up right there. How do I do this? Okay, there we go. Create limit order. Market. That's the only downside. I can't see. Had this problem. Okay, 3. I can do 3. Create limit order, market, units, wrong button, 3. Sell. Cool. That one's set. On to the next one. JP225 is still going. Gold is done. Oh, we were looking at gold just a second ago. Look at that, it already finished. We're going to take the high of that one. Let me get out of the drawing now. Bring this down here. What was gold's? Gold is 17. Gold is 17. So let's extend this out a little bit. And we're going to, come here, where are you at? There you go. Create limit order, market, 17, cool, buy. That's done. Silver's still chugging along. Oil, West Texas oil. We're going to take a sell on this guy, get it a drawing. Stop loss a little bit above that previous candle. 1 to 1.4 sounds good, sure. 330 is what we're looking at there. Don't move without me. Hold on. Market 330. Sell. All right, that one's taken. Natural gas is still hovering along. So by all technicality, we should have, what is it? Is it, why can't I go back to where I want? Watch list, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should have 7 positions in this paper trading account. What do we got? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. So, account balance is $253,000, sitting in some drawdown of $230 something, and got 7 trades open, ready to go ahead and either go one direction or go the other. Time will tell, and we'll see what everything turns out as. Can we just talk about how often this happens? How often you get into a position and it goes the other direction as soon as you get in? This is my hedging for GJ, and so I had hedged at 0.11 lots, 0.11 lots, and this would have been a perfect time to be squeezing if I wasn't so antsy on hedging, and it would have been a great squeeze. This is one of those things that Chad from the Forex hedging channel talks about. Is like sometimes it happens almost to the pip of where you're at. I mean, look how close that was. And it's just spreads that set me off. You know, I mean, it just went up there twice and then left. And that would have been a beautiful, beautiful squeeze. Lesson learned, but you know, hey, I say lesson learned, but really there's nothing to it. It just is what it is. I'll continue to work myself out. So I forgot today was Friday, but here are my closed trade. Well, no, my trades as of Friday. So we'll have to see how everything plays out come Sunday, I guess, when the stuff opens up. That one's in profit. That one is hovering very close to the stop loss. Oop, I skipped one. Hovering near break even. This one is moving on up, a little bit above break even. Same with silver. West Texas oil, a little bit of drawdown. And natural gas still hovering and doing nothing. So we'll have to see. I think at 1 o'clock I took a trade. I don't remember which one it was though, but you understand the concept. If the previous candle was bullish, then the other candle's bullish. But yeah, that's that.